Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker run or compose. Which one should you use? So this is a question running in your mind. So now I'm going to answer this question. Okay, so let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So see, the choice between the Docker run and the Docker compose depends on your specific use case and the requirements. Both tools have their advantages and are suited for the different scenarios. Use Docker run when running individual containers, customization, and ad hoc tasks. Running individual containers means if you have need to run a single Docker container or the few isolated containers. In that case, straightforward, you can use customization. Docker run allows for the granular customization of container configurations such as port mapping, volume mount, environment variables, container names, and the runtime options. Okay, ad hoc tasks like for one of the tasks, testing, debugging, or situations where you need fine-grained control over container configuration, Docker Run provides flexibility. Then we have a use Docker Compose. Okay, so Docker Compose is a tool you can use to define the share multi-container applications. This means that you can run a project with multiple containers using a single source. For example, assume you are building a project with the Node.js and the MongoDB together. Docker Compose is a great way to define multi-container development environment rather than adding the things like the databases, Redis to your Dockerfile. You can reference existing images or these services or focus your dev containers content on the tools utilities you need to develop. Next one, that is a multi-container applications. Docker Compose is ideal for the managing multi-container applications composed of the multiple services that needs to be run together, such as microservices, architectures, complex applications with dependencies. Okay. Simplified management. It simplifies the management for multi-container applications by allowing you to define all the necessary configuration like services, networks, volumes in a single YAML file. And start and stop manage all the services with a single command: Docker compose up, Docker compose down, and etc. Okay, environment setup. Docker Compose is commonly used for the local development environments where you need to replicate the production environment with multiple interconnected services. Versioning and the sharing. Docker Compose.yml files can be versioned and shared with the team members, making it easier to maintain and collaborate on applications configurations. Right. Overall recommendation is simple use cases. For the simple use cases when you have only need to run a single container or the few isolated containers with the specific configurations, Docker run is sufficient. Okay. Complex applications, for complex applications with a multi interconnected services or microservices architecture, Docker Compose is preferred choice as it simplifies the management and provides standardized way to define and run multi-container applications. In many cases, you might find using both Docker Run and Docker Compose depending on the specific requirements of your projects. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that? Next video, we are going to learn how to create the Docker Compose.yml with the full-fledged Node.js application code. So don't miss that one. That is very, very important. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.